Hey everybody, this is Dual Sport Charlie. I'm out here on a little staging area by where I was riding today, and this is a quick little video I'm doing to explain why I'm never going to buy anything from SW Motech ever again. So I was out for a ride on the Charlie Davidson, aka my KLR, and I use it for commuting. So normally I don't ride it very hard at all. In fact, anybody who knows me will tell you that I am not a professional hard dick. I do not ride like I'm trying to get a podium spot at Dakar. In fact, if I had to classify myself, I'd probably be a soft, inoffensive, flaccid dick. But this kind of really ruined my morning because I only got to do about 40 miles of dirt on it. But if you look here, this is an SW Motech rear rack for a KLR 650 Gen 2. And if you notice something in the video, you'll notice that the connection point to where it bolts up to the passenger peg mount is a little broke. It's a little broke. And not only is it broke there, it's also broke right here, which, as you can tell from the piece of aluminum crutch that I tried to fix previously, but it also broke in the same manner where the weld actually fractured. Now, to top it all off, it also broke on the left side, which is crazy. Normally, you don't get a rear rack to just completely fail, and honestly, I'm very impressed because, as I said, I don't really ride it that hard. So this is how I had to get home today. And I'm used to KLRs rattling around and stuff, but this is just a little bit more than unusual. So, yeah, be wary of SW Motech stuff, I guess. Take it easy, guys. Ride safe.